Hi guys, and welcome back to Making Games with Unity. Today I'm going to show you on how to use for loop. So we're going to go to our code, and then here's what happened. Usually, do you remember when you type in the code similar to this? It seems really similar to each other, right? You're just adding 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's like you're counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but logically you're typing the same thing, right? So when we print this, player 1, player 2, player 3, player 4, player 5, and it goes on. What if you want to type until 100, right? And that will be a big mess. So to solve that issue, you can use for loop. So I have for loop here. So I'm going to comment out our message debug lag. So now let's look at this for loop. So this for loop do the same thing. Instead of typing the same thing again and again, you can use for loop. So this one will loop 5 times. So we can save this and go to Unity, and let's clear this one to be sure, then hit play. And then you'll notice that it also do the same thing, right? So that's the power of for loop. Instead of you typing again and again, just like this one, maybe you can type until 100, but that is insane. You can use for loop for that situation. So right now, if we check this for loop, the first part is this one. It means the I variable will start in number 1. That's why you see player 1. And then the condition, it means that this loop will going to loop until 5. That's why you see until player 5. We can check that again here. We can hit play. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because in here we have a condition until 5. I is the one who's adding +1 to the variable I, so it's like 1 + 1, 2, then this one will become 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if you wanted to loop until 100, we can easily type in 100 on this condition, and then go back to our Unity, and then you can hit play, and then it will loop until 100. Imagine 100. That is so easy, right? Imagine you type them all just like this one. That will be insane. So if you have something that you need to loop again and again, don't be insane and type everything. You can use for loop. Alright, so yep, if you want to know more things about C# and Unity 3D, we got more videos on our channel. Please check them all. Please watch them all. And yeah, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you always get updated when we upload a new video. And again guys, thank you for watching, and see you on our next video. Goodbye guys.